right, I'm back. I'm gonna go for a ride with this bad boy here. I'm gonna do a little loop. I'll put some footy in and try to meet up with brother Lucas. His bike is very sad right now. We've done the electrical on it 200 times and each time is probably wrong, so it just gets worse and worse. He's blown through some ignition, so we're gonna put another one in and blow that one too. But hopefully not, hopefully it'll work. It's kind of a lesson. Write down what you've done on your schematics on your motorcycle, because I feel like this is the third time I've done it, and each time I think it should be wired one way and it's not. So I'll write it down and then maybe I'll make a little schematic for the world to have, because everyone's got the stock ignition going to their bike. No one's got the fancy upgrades. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Anyways, let's go for a ride.
John Palace.
So gay.
My crib. So gay.
You done yet?
No. I just got started.
What the hell did you get that for? Backup?
I think it might be my clothes.
one?
Holy wow, dude. That was on there.
Don't do that
Cork
again.
specs. 0-0?
I think so.
And
Because then you adjust it to different degrees. So if you want to advance or not, then you just want it stock.
I have like no room to fucking. Alright, here we go.
Go to the left.
I don't think you even moved that.
Yeah, I know.
There you go, that's locked. You can hear it. Sounds like you went too far.
Really?
Yeah. You see it?
No.
Yeah, you might have went too far. You don't have to move it much. It's like a pencil lid. It sounds off.
Yeah.
Does that help?
Yeah. Alright. Keep doing that.
Tighten it up.
Yeah, now more.
We're gonna start.
Fucking hope so, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Will it die is the real question.
Dude, that thing just popped off. Oh, that's the old shit.
Don't matter. It don't matter.
Ready, yeah.
What?
What do you mean, all right?
Made a weird noise. Hear that? We'll see.
Wait, do it again.